Struggling to keep small components steady while soldering? Even a slight movement can make precise repairs difficult. This is the welding table clamp. Link in description box below. When soldering or repairing small electronic components, keeping the workpiece firmly positioned can be a real challenge. A loose component can shift during soldering, making precise alignment harder and potentially affecting the quality of the repair. The welding table clamp provides a compact solution for PCB assembly, BGA soldering, motherboard repairs, and other delicate electronics work. Its adjustable design offers a maximum opening of 7.3 mm for flexible positioning, while the industrial-grade silicone construction can withstand temperatures up to 260 degrees Celsius. Measuring just 50 by 70 mm, it takes up minimal workspace while helping keep small components accurately aligned. It can also work with soldering stations and 3D printer calibration setups. Available in multiple pack sizes, it is practical for both individual users and professional repair workstations. If you need a small, heat-resistant clamp for precise electronics positioning, this could be a useful addition to your soldering setup. Check the link in description box for latest price. Thanks for watching the video.